Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Candace Moore and I am the owner of the Eye Appeal Cosmetics. So today I'm going to show you a quick eyeshadow hack that I learned for all the busy professionals, the busy moms who don't have a ton of time to do like a full face of makeup, but just want to look pretty and, you know, fashionable with just a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara and eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do now is very easy. So I actually did it on this side here. So I did like a purple, like a purplish smoky eye. So of course what I'm going to use is out of the Visual Eye Appeal IMV eyeshadow palette, available on our website, www.shopeyeappeal.com. So what I'm going to do is actually show you how to do this. It's really quick and easy, can be done within 5 to 10 minutes. So to achieve this purple eyeshadow look, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a series of 3 colors. So you always want to start off with the darkest color first, and you're going to place it on the outer corner here. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that, which is Lush, out of our palette. Okay, and then you're just going to place it on the outer portion here. Just do it straight down, just like that. Okay, and that's the first portion. So just do straight line down like that. And then the next one that I'm going to use is going to be Desirable, which is this color here. So you're going to use that, and you're going to place it in the middle. Okay. And straight down again. Okay, that's that. And then for the last portion, I am going to use Captivating, the purple Captivating, which is this one here. And then I'm going to do the inner corner, straight down. Okay. All right, so now I have all 3. So what you're gonna want to do is start from this portion first and then blend that way. So you don't want to do the dark to the light. So do the lightest color here, and blend it outwards. And that is it. So now you have the smoky eye. All you have to do is just apply your eyeliner, and then that's it. You're good to go.